Ahoy, it's Alicia back with you for another cabin tour. This time it's on AmaMelodia. There is my cabin. Take a look. It's on the salsa deck, starboard side, about halfway down the ship. The door locks are RFID, so you just tap and enter. Light switches at the front door, and let's take a look first at the bathroom. Now, not many river cruise cabins have a double sink. I am in love with it. Sometimes you get it in the suites, but I have not seen it on any other river cruise regular French balcony or balcony cabin. A good amount of storage underneath the sinks. You will need to ask for extra towels though. Generally they only give you 2. The shower's a good size. It also has a rain head up the top there, plus the adjustable handle, and there's also a clothesline across. Toilet and trash can, and there is so much storage in this cabin. I was really impressed. You find your life jackets up the top, a lot of hanging space. You could put your suitcases down the bottom, but there is so much space under the bed, that's where you'll put them. And there's some shelving as well. There is an ice bucket, a safe, slippers and robes, and a refrigerator. A full-length mirror, and a desk. Here you have USB-A and C, as well as a European plug, and you've got the same over the other side of the desk. They give you bottled water every day. I was a little disappointed that there wasn't a reusable water bottle, but I had one with me anyway. This is actually an interconnecting door. So you have a seat and a small table. If it wasn't interconnecting, you have more of a lounge chair in that area. There are some wooden Venetians there, though they don't block out the light that well on that window, but on the other windows, it's pretty good. On the bedsides, I love it, the USB-A and C's, as well as a bedside table, a drawer, and then under the bed, as I said, a lot of space. Same over the other side. If you are enjoying this video, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And let's take a look on the balcony. 2 chairs and 2 small tables. As we take a look across the harbor in Cartagena, Colombia. And this is not actually the Magdalena River. This feeds into the Magdalena, so it is still some time until we actually hit the river. I must say the bed was super comfortable. There haven't been many people that have slept in it, maybe that's why, but for my comfort level of a mattress, that was perfect. And there is our cabin. Would you stay in this cabin? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed my cabin tour on board the AmaMelodia. If you want to see more of our content, just click here. Thanks so much for watching and happy cruising.